Hello everyone, welcome to TAM Studios. This week, I'm going to discuss a new feature, enhanced architect voice and digital bot flow control for recognition failure and agent escalation. This is Guru, TAM from Sydney, and let us see the new changes introduced in the bot flows. Please follow along. Flow authors can now configure architect voice and digital bot flows to jump to a task after recognition failure and upon agent escalation. The new feature is added under event handling and user input configuration. You can specify a reusable task when the bot does not recognize a customer reply under recognition failure event, when the customer requests to escalate the interaction to an agent under agent escalation, and when the bot exceeds the maximum number of attempts to determine customer input under user input, no input detected. And this is applicable only to digital bot flows. In this example, I have added a reusable task and use it to evaluate the status of a schedule group such as open hours, closed hours, holiday, and emergency schedule. In this demonstration, I'm going to cover three use cases: agent escalation, input recognition failure, and both of these are applicable to voice and digital bot flows, and exceed no input maximum retries is applicable only to digital bot flow. Let's dive in. In Genesis Cloud, I have loaded the architect, and under event handling, I have specified a reusable task under recognition failure event and under agent escalation. Because this is a digital bot flow example, under user input, for no input detected, I also have invoked a reusable task. Under reusable task, I'm evaluating a schedule group for open, closed, holiday, and emergency hours and transferring to the queue when it is open. In this digital bot flow example, I'm going to start a messaging session, and we'll start with agent escalation. You can see that the availability of the queue is evaluated, and when the queue is open, the interaction is routed to an agent. I'm going to disconnect this interaction and go to the second use case, which is a recognition failure event. I'm saying I want to buy light bulbs, and the recognition failure is happening because the bot does not understand this intent. The third instance, it is now assessing the availability of a queue and routing the interaction to the agent. Let's go to the last use case of no input detected and the maximum retries exhausted. I, as an end customer, is not providing an input to the bot. And after the first 10 seconds, it did not receive an input. And this is after 20 seconds. The second message pops up. And now the interaction is assessed for the availability of the queue, and the interaction is transferred to the agent. I hope this demonstration was useful to you to understand this new feature. If you have questions, please feel free to reach us at tamstudios@genesis.com. Thanks a lot for the opportunity.